Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at types of graphs. So graphs give the advantage of seeing and comparing the data really quickly, and there are different types of graphs, each with their advantages and disadvantages. So let's start off with the pictograph. So pictographs show rough data quickly, but they are less precise than other types of graphs. So we see here we got our title, we got a number of books being read each month, and so one book here equals 5 books. So we have 10 books, 15, 5, and 20 books like that. So if one of the months had a value of 23 books, let's say, it'd be difficult to draw 3/5 of our symbol. That's just an example of how the pictograph would be less precise. So practice number 1. What percent of books were read in April? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, so we notice here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 10, like that. So 4 out of 10, and so that gives 40%. Bar graphs. Bar graphs are probably the most popular. They're a great way of comparing discrete data. So let's look at our example here. Favorite drink, and they were given a blind test. So drink A, B, C, D. And so which one were their favorite drinks? A was 3, B was 6, C was 8, and D was 4, like that. And so practice question number 2. A, what percent of people preferred drink C? And B, how many more people preferred drink B over drink D? Go ahead, pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we see here that drink C is 8 and the total is 21. So that gives 8 out of 21, which is 38%. And then how many more? B and D. So we have B6, D4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 more, like that. Okay, line graphs. So line graphs are great at showing change over a unit of time. And so here we have an example of coffee sales, days of the week, and the amount sold each day throughout the week, like that. So practice number 3. A, what was the day with the highest number of sales? B, how much was the lowest amount of sales? And C, between which days was the greatest decrease in sales? Okay, so the highest, we see that it's here, so it's Saturday at $900. The least, Wednesday here at $300, like that. And then, so we look at the decrease between Tuesday and Wednesday is 300. The decrease between Saturday and Sunday is 500. So that's the greatest decrease right there. So Saturday, Sunday had the greatest decrease. Okay, pie graphs. Pie graphs are excellent at displaying percentages. So here we have an example here of a survey of 500 people were asked what their favorite meal was over a choice of 4 options. So we had hot dog, sandwich, burger, and pizza. And you can see right away just by looking at it, you can see burger was 150, pizza was 150, sandwich 120, 80 hot dogs, like that. Okay, so practice number 4. What percent of people preferred pizza? And B, what percent of people did not choose burger? Okay, so pizza was 150 out of 500, like that, which gives 0.3, which is 30%. And did not choose burger. So we say, okay, which one was not burger? Hot dog, sandwich, pizza. We add those up, out of 500 gives 70%. So 70% of people did not choose burger. And that's it. It's that easy. See you guys in the next video.